As Nigerians join the rest of the world to observe the 2025 World Populations Day, the National Assembly has renewed its call for the conduct of a credible and timely population and housing census to support effective national planning and development. Chairman of the Senate Committee on National Identity and Population, Senator Victor Umeh made a call during the 2025 World Population Day commemoration in Abuja. He emphasized the importance of accurate and disaggregated data for youth empowerment, equitable resources allocation, and sound policymaking.
I assure Nigerians that the Senate of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, through its leadership, both the Senate President and the Speaker of the House of Representatives, will continue to support and champion legislation and reforms that will advance the mandates of the National Population Commission. We are planning to have a census. Government needs to accelerate its plans towards doing this. The cost notwithstanding, if you don't have the exact or approximate exact number of people in your country, you cannot plan for its development. There's no way you can achieve it. Every day we talk about Nigerians being about 200 and something million people, 220. People now ascribe any figure to be the projected population of Nigerians. How can you manage their needs if you don't know who they are, how many they are?
We need the census. We need the census more than any other thing. And I'm sure the step taken so far by Mr. President on the committee set up, I know they are going to come up with a template that will make it.
Meanwhile, the chairman of the National Population Commission, Mr. Nasir Kwarra, in his remarks called for increased investment in youth-focused services and infrastructure. Kwarra, who stated that over 60% of Nigerians under 30 describe them as demographic advantage.
Many are navigating difficult circumstances that influence their choices, such as uncertainty about the future, limited access to health services, quality education, employment, affordable housing, and economic stability.
On his part, the UN Resident Coordinator in Nigeria, Mohammed IV, represented by LC Atafua of the UNDP, highlighted some of the significant challenges faced by youth in the country and called for urgent action.
Many young people in Nigeria are unable to achieve their desired family size, not due to lack of aspiration, but due to financial hardship, lack of access to information and services, and societal expectations and fear of stigma. Girls in particular are often denied the opportunity to decide if, when, and how many children to have, because they are married too early, kept out of school, or lack access to contraception and youth-friendly services.
The World Population Day is celebrated annually to raise awareness about global population issues and their impact on development, health, and the environment. CNN News.